All right, it looks like I'm live. So happy Tuesday. It's 3 p.m. at my time, but you might be in a different time zone or watching it at a different time. So if you hop on, say hello. And if you watch the replay, so we're going to be doing we're going to do a little energy reset, a little quick practice together. Quick but powerful, or I don't know, you can add your own adjective if you try it out. So if you watch the replay, let's do hashtag energy. So I posted a question a little bit earlier today, like, I don't know, an hour or two, like, what's your favorite way to reset your energy? And a lot of people had a lot of different answers, and it was so interesting because even just reading those answers, hi Lily, thanks for hopping on. So even just reading some of those answers of what people did to reset their energy. One person put music and meditation, and there was something else she put, and I asked her about the music, and so sometimes she listened to upbeat high vibe music, right? And sometimes she listened to relaxing music. So when you reset your energy, it can be, if you want to be more calm and relaxed, more focused, or sometimes you want to raise your vibe and get your energy higher. So many years ago when I first started practicing yoga, I learned that was one powerful tool that you can both either increase your energy or relax it, or kind of somewhere in the middle. But today I thought we'd just do a little check-in together. So I'm going to start with a little clearing. So there's one way I reset the energy. Don't do it all the time, but this is Palo Santo. I have a nice sage spray that I love too, that I use sometimes. Not everybody likes the smell of something burning. So this one actually smells really sweet. So we'll cleanse anybody that's watching. We'll cleanse the group. We'll cleanse Facebook. Hi, Julie. Awesome to see you too. Thanks for hopping on. Just doing a little energy reset together. So thanks for saying hi. All right. Smells good. Let's send some your way. Send some love your way. All right. So hopefully if you're somewhere that you can close your eyes for a minute, that's what I find, like, when I close my eyes, it's like helps me to check in. So maybe you have the same experience. So let's do that. Let's just close your eyes for a minute and start with the breath. So if it's okay, if it works for you, breathe in and out through the nose. If that's not working right now for some reason, just do the best however you breathe in. But just take some breaths. When you breathe in and out through the nose, the breath actually can go down a little deeper into the lungs. And okay, yay. So when we breathe through the mouth, it potentially can activate the sympathetic fight or flight nervous system, especially if we breathe fast through the mouth. But breathing through the nose activates down into the lower lungs, and the lower lungs expand down into the diaphragm and down into the belly. So when we can breathe down into the belly, we're more present and grounded. But at the bottom, at the lower lungs, is where there's nerve receptors connected to the parasympathetic nervous system. So that's your rest and relax. So just take a couple breaths in and out. As you do, just set the intention to just let yourself soften a little bit from wherever you're at. Maybe you're already relaxed, maybe you're feeling tense, stressed, whatever it is, just let yourself soften a little bit. So earlier today, I've had a lot of stuff going on, and I was catching myself just feeling my energy kind of wound up, and there was excitement and there was a lot of stuff in the mix, right? So I just went and reset my energy. So just as you're breathing in and out now, just check in, say hello to your body. Take notice of your physical body. Notice where the breath is going as you breathe in and out. Can you feel the breath down in your belly, or is it coming in a little bit higher up in the chest? And as you breathe in and out, see if you can bring awareness to the back body. You might not feel your back body receiving the breath, but you can just think about it and set the awareness there. So just feel maybe as if your back body could get a little fuller as you breathe in. And now it's funny because I'm actually feeling it in the back of my skull too, expanding into the back of the skull. So when we're active or we have a lot going on, it's like a front body, we're just moving forward. So a reset kind of takes us back in the moment. And so bringing your awareness even more into your back body can kind of bring you back into your own center. And just notice if there's any places, just notice places in your body that it feels really good. How about that one, right? Feels good in my belly, my heart, my chest, my mind. Good. And if there's any places that in your body that are calling for a little more breath, send the breath there. Send those places some love. And now just check in with your emotions, your emotional body. As I said earlier today, mine was feeling excited, but it was also feeling a little bit of anxiety under there from just doing so many new things. So, and just notice whatever comes up. No right, wrong, good, bad. Just notice and really imagine, actually what I'm getting this image is just imagining holding out your hands in front of you and whatever emotions that you're feeling, just imagine that you're just holding them. You're holding that space for yourself, for whatever's there. And then take your hands, if it feels good, and just put them into your heart. Give yourself some love. And now let's go into the mind, the mental body, right? Just notice any thoughts moving through. So somebody that I know posts about the monkey mind here and there, and I've definitely had that before, and we can get caught in little thought loops. So just think of it, whatever thoughts are there, whatever they are, don't judge them, just let them be whatever they are. But I like to think of clouds in the sky, right? So a cloud in the sky, you're not going to try to push it away. It's not going to happen. And you're not going to try to hold on to a cloud. You might see a really cool cloud you wish would stay there a little bit longer. But just any thoughts that come up, just observe them. So when we moved into the back body too, part of that is we become more the witness and the observer. And when we are the witness, we're actually able to see more clearly, to just notice. Good. And now from this space, it's like, now you can check in with your soul, your spirit. Ooh, and as soon as I said that, I could feel this energy moving into my heart. So when I do Akashic Records readings or just soul connection, I usually feel it connect in with my heart. So just notice if there's a feeling or a word or something that your soul wants you to experience right now. Good. And then take a nice deep breath in. And let's blow it out through the mouth. And then you can blink your eyes open. I feel like I want to shake a little bit and move my body a little bit. That doesn't always happen, but so if you want to move your body a little bit, whatever your body feels, and just let me know, like if you felt an emotion or a word that came through, or if you want, maybe you just feel like you want to keep it to yourself. But if anything unexpected came up, and this was like, how long have we been on? 9 minutes, so pretty short, right? And I don't know about you, but I definitely feel a shift. I'd love to know how you feel, if you feel a shift. So 2 things I put up in the comments. If you're interested, I know I love listening to guided things, guided meditations or different guided things. It often just is another tool that I love to just kind of help take me into that experience and let go completely. So there's a couple up in the comments. One is Yoga for Deep Restoration. It's 25 minutes long. They're both free. And the other one's a calming breath meditation. I think it's 8 or 10 minutes long. So I felt some vibration when you said spirit. Yeah, I did too. It was pretty cool. So thanks for sharing that, Lily. But anyway, so there's a couple of freebies up there. You're welcome to them. I'd love to, I've used tools over the years for resetting my energy. So it's something that I love and I'd love to share. So thanks for hopping on. And have a beautiful rest of your day or night or whatever's going on for the rest of your day.